Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you creative scroll effects in Wix. So let's get started. So in order to add that, you first need to have a strip on your Wix website. So for me, I have added strips on my Wix website right here. So this is my homepage and I have added strips right here. So you can see the strip. And on the strip, I have added an image. I also added another strip right here with this specific image. Now for this one, we just need to click on this strip. Click on this scroll effect. Then just choose the scroll effect that you want. So for me, I chose fade in. And at the second one right here, I just need to click on that strip. And then click on this right here, just the background scroll effects. Then I will just choose fade out for this one. So once I have added those specific things, I can actually just see what it looks like. Under the image right here, you can't actually add scroll effect, but you can add animations if you want. So for this art now, let's see what it looks like under preview. And then this will open the preview of our current Wix website. So as we scroll down, there will be an actual thing have been added to our website. So as I scroll down, as you can see, it will fade in, and this one will actually fade out, as we can see earlier. So the strip will fade in and fade out once visitors scroll down on our website. So if you ask me, this really a creative thing on Wix, but if you have more options to like the reveal thing or everything that you can use, then actually you can use those strips in order to integrate more creativity on your website. So that's the whole process. I hope you know that you have known this creative strips effects for your Wix website. If you had found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.